Hi, my name is Elizabeth Payne. I am the SLP that's going to be doing your cranial nerve exam today. For parts of the exam, I do have to touch you. Is that okay with you?
Mm-hmm.
All right, sounds good. I'm going to check cranial nerve 3, 4, and 6 now. I'm going to make an H with my finger, and I want you to follow my finger without moving your head. Okay? And now I'm just going to use the flashlight, and I want you to look at me. I'm going to check you for a constriction. Okay, good. Okay, now I am going to check cranial nerve 5. I want you to close your eyes and let me know when you feel my touch.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
All right. All right, I want you to open your mouth for me so I can see how your jaw looks. All right, good. All right, now I want you to open your jaw and I want you to resist me. Okay. Now I want you to move your jaw side to side. Good. And then I want you to do what you just did, but I'm going to put my hand on one side and I want you to push against it. Good. Now I want you to open your mouth and clench your teeth. Okay, good. Now I'm going to touch your face with the point and the eraser of my pencil. Can I see your hand? This is sharp and this is dull. I want you to close your eyes and tell me when you feel sharp or when you feel dull. Okay?
Sharp. Dull. Sharp. Dull.
Okay, good. Okay, now I'm going to test cranial nerve 7. I'm going to have you raise your eyebrows and then lower them. And then again. And then one more time. Good? Okay, now I want you to lower your eyebrows and I don't want you to let me push them up. Good job. Okay, now I want you to pucker your lips and then smile. And then one more time. Good. Okay, so now I'm going to use the tongue depressor. And I'm just going to put it in your cheek and I want you to pull it back in. Okay? All right, now I'm going to be testing cranial nerves 9 and 10. I want you to puff out your cheeks with air, and I'm going to try to push them in. Don't let me. Okay? Okay, now I want you to cover your mouth with your elbow and cough for me. Okay? And then for cranial nerve 10, I'm going to stick the depressor on your tongue. And I want you to say aw 3 times fast, like aw, aw, aw. And I also need to use my flashlight for this one.
Aw, aw, aw.
And now I want you to do one long aw, like aw.
Aw.
And one more time.
Aw.
Okay, good. Okay, now I'm going to test cranial nerve 11. So for this one, I want you to shrug your shoulders up and down 3 times. Okay, good. For the next test, I want you to shrug your shoulders again, but I don't want you to let me push them down. So push them up, and don't let me push them down. Good. All right, now I want you to turn your head to the left and to the right, and then one more time. Good. Now I want you to turn your head to the left and don't let me push it back. And now this side, don't let me push it back. All right. For cranial nerve 12, I want you to stick out your tongue and move it up and then down and to the side and to the side. And one more time, up, down, to the side, to the side. Good job. All right, now I want you to put your tongue in your cheek and don't let me push it in. There you go. All right, good job. All right? And now I want you to push your tongue out, and don't let me push it in. I'm going to use the tongue depressor for this one. All right. Okay. Now I am finished, so I'm going to remove my gloves. And we're all done.